Welcome to Novus Massage. I'm Richard and today I'm going to show you how to massage your own quads. Your quadriceps are a group of 4 muscles located on the front of your thigh. Overuse of your quads can cause them to become sore and tight, making you more susceptible to injury. I'm going to show you the massage routine I perform on myself to make sure that my quads stay healthy and pain-free. We're going to start by warming up the muscles by applying a broad pressure with our hand as we glide up and down the thigh. After doing this for a couple minutes, I want you to try and distinguish between each of the quad muscles. Vastus medialis is located on the inside of your thigh, near your knee, and forms a teardrop shape. Rectus femoris runs down the center of your thigh, and vastus lateralis runs along the outside of your thigh. The last quad muscle, vastus intermedius, is located underneath rectus femoris, making it too deep to feel. If you're having difficulty feeling any of these muscles, try contracting your quad by extending or straightening your knee to make the muscles pop. Once you've warmed up your quads, we're going to do a deeper technique using our fist to apply continuous pressure along the length of the muscle. This will help loosen up the muscle to allow us to perform some muscle release techniques. Start at a low pressure, working your way down the thigh from the hip to the knee, then gradually apply more pressure with each pass. While doing this technique, I encourage you to try and target each quad muscle individually. This is the most effective way to work deeply into the muscles. Once your quad muscles have loosened up, we're going to do a more specific technique using our thumbs. I'm going to start by running my thumb through the entire muscle belly. I'm trying to find the most painful and tightest spot, as this will be the most effective place to start working. Once you've found that most affected spot, you're going to apply a deep pressure to it with your thumb. It may be uncomfortable, but it shouldn't be overly painful. Maintain this pressure with your thumb until the pain goes away or the muscle softens. This shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. If it does, just move on to another spot, as sometimes it takes multiple sessions to release a muscle. Sometimes you will feel a pain referring into a different area from where you're pressing into. This is known as a trigger point, and for the quads, you'll most often feel this referring pain going down into your knee. These trigger points are simply an indication you're pressing into the correct location, and are treated the same way by maintaining the pressure with your thumb until the pain diminishes. Another indicator that you're performing an effective massage is when you see or feel the surrounding muscle twitch. This is called a muscle fasciculation, and it indicates that a muscle is releasing. But even if you don't experience a muscle twitch or a trigger point referral, that doesn't mean you weren't effective in releasing the muscle. Once I've worked through an entire muscle, I finish by doing some of the introductory techniques we did at the start of the massage. This helps increase circulation to help with overall muscle recovery and health. This self-massage routine should only take 5 to 10 minutes to complete per leg and can be performed every day if necessary. Just remember not to overwork the tissue and recognize when it's time to back off and let the tissue rest and recover. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment about your results.